Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today we are going to do my first ever Look Fantastic. Okay, so what is Look Fantastic? It is a beauty box that has full size and sample size items inside. I guess this box used to come in a little box like Allure does, or BoxyCharm, any of those type of, but now it comes in a box, but there's a little bag inside. First, let me tell you, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori and I do a lot of different things. So first and foremost, I am legally blind and can only see a small bit out of my right eye, so everything is blurry, but you will get to see me live life and see how I do things. So I also do reviews of items or boxes. I also do travel videos to include cruising, resorts, etc. And then I also do skincare, makeup, beauty, clothing, all of the above. So if you're interested in that, click the subscribe button below, the bell to be notified when I put out new videos, and the like button for this video. Okay guys, let's check this out. When I went online to check it, it has a few different ways to pay. So it is $19 a month if you want to pay box by box. Okay guys, let me talk about this bag first. So it seems like several companies are changing over to a bag instead of that decorative box that you got. I really like this bag. It is substantial, has a handle up at the top. It's clear so that you can see what's inside. It has a gold zipper tab with a white zipper itself. So this is what the back looks like. So this is pretty cool. I like this bag. It's a lot nicer than some of the bags I received in other boxes. So let's start with number one. Guys, inside the bag is this little book. Okay, so inside this book are articles and tips on how to use different items. And let me show you. This right here is about the products that are in this box. So they give you the name and the products that are in the box. There's some others. So super cute. Lots of articles on different items, which is great. So let's go with my first item. So the first item in the box is a lipstick from Revlon, which looks like this. Now, I don't know if I'm going to show you this upside down, right side up, but it's Rose Wine 225 is the number. So I will, oh, that's pretty. This is a type that I would wear. So let me give you a swatch. There is the swatch. Very, very pretty. Definitely will use this item. This is a full-sized lipstick. So let me go ahead and wash it off of my hand. I keep my little like makeup wipes in here to remove anything that I'm sampling. Okay, so you guys can see what the color is. It is very, very pretty. It's kind of a pinky wine-ish color, I guess you can say. Like it says, it is wine rose or rose wine, number 225. It is super pretty and definitely going to try it. Right on the lid, it's kind of clear. I don't know if you can see, and you can see the actual color that's in there. So I really like that. These are like, I call them bullet lipsticks, and this is what I wear. I don't like the stained lipsticks. I prefer these, and it is very creamy. So also there is no prices. So I do not have the prices for what these items are for. Here is the first one if you want to look at what it says. Okay. Okay, guys, this is item number 2. It is from Illamasqua. It is a highlighter in the color OMG. Okay, I'm going to open it up. This could be a little, it's kind of like a little tiny mini size. And I'm thinking this might be such a great thing to take with me on the cruise because it is so small. Okay, guys, we're going to check this out. Well, yes, I put way too much came out. This is what it looks like on my hand. See what it looks like. It's saying you can put it in with your makeup for a natural glow. Yeah, I put way too much on, but I'm gonna show you what it looks like. At least you'll know what the color is. You see it? Yeah, you only need a little drop. I probably had about a half of a dime size on there, so it's really pretty after you put it in. So that was number 2. Okay, so this is number 3, Star Skin Beauty. Okay, so with this mask, it is textured on one side and then plain on the other side. So with the first side of being textured, you use that all over your face, then you flip it over and you use the regular side to wipe everything off. So that seems interesting. I've never seen one like this, but definitely going to try it. This is from Elemis. It is the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Items from Elemis are very costly. I will say that. We're gonna open this up and see how the moisturizer is. They do have great products. I've used their marine cream to cleanse with, their marine cleansing balm. That's awesome. I've used a few of their masks. It is something that they use like on cruise ships all the time. So they try to get you to buy them at a really, really expensive cost. Okay, so let's put on my hand and see how it is. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay. Really not much, just smells clean. Oh, it is very moisturizing. It gives a little glow. There's my hand. Well, there's my 2. This one has it, this one doesn't. Okay, so once again, nice product. That's a deluxe sample at least. So that's great. I forgot to tell you that this has kombucha, ginger and green, and grape seed oil. Okay, guys, number 5. Okay, it is by Grow Gorgeous. This is their anti-pollution leave-in spray, external pollutants. It is also vegan. It is especially great for oily hair. Okay, guys, if I didn't say earlier, it is for your hair. You spray it in. Oh, that smells good, guys. It kind of reminds me just of, it's not floral and it's not citrus. It's more like a women perfume, really, really light. The last item is from, it is from Mine Tan and is their hydrating tan mist. It is both for the face and the body. So basically they're saying that it is a hydrator that gives you a gradual tan and both hydrates at the same time. So that will be interesting to try. I've been using some tan drops that I got at Target, and you use your lotion and then you drop the drops into your lotion, rub it together and put it on. I've had great success with that. There's a lot of them that I've had no success with at that, and being blind, it's hard to tell if I've missed any spots. So I'm looking forward to trying it. So it looks like we got 6 items in this box. Okay, guys, let me see what number 1 was that we did. This was number 1. It is the Revlon Wine Rose. It is the Revlon Wine Rose lipstick. It's like I can't get anything out today. I don't know, guys. Just don't know. Here's the second one. That was a liquid highlighter. Here's the third one, which was a mask. Then we had the hair protectant. We have the Elemis face moisturizer, and then we have the tan spray. So I think this was a great box. This is my first box, guys, from them. Love it, love it, love it. I love the little bag. Definitely going to be using this bag. Look at that. So I got all of those products in there. So your first tier is $19 a month, and it has free shipping. So mine was $18, ended up being $19.71. That's probably tax that is on the box. So that's not bad. All of this for $19.71. Love it. Okay, guys, you'll see my links below, referral links. Try it out. Even if you don't try the $1 for 12-month subscription, try the $19 and see if you like it. You know, like I said, I'm doing the 3-month for $18, and so far so good. So that was the July box for 2021. Okay, guys, so as I said earlier, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I am at, I think, 224 right now, working my way up, of course, to 1,000. But right now, I am working my way to 250. At 250, I will be doing a massive giveaway with a Balzano bag filled to the brim with skincare, makeup, lifestyle items. Just a bunch of things. So if you're interested in that, you do have to be subscribed to my channel, and you do have to be subscribed publicly. So you guys, I will see when I hit that 250, I will make a video to let you guys know that the giveaway is on. So excited. So guys, I need to let you go. Like I said, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, hit my like button, please. That pushes me out to other people, and have a great day. I will see you in the next video.